Welcome to a world of culinary creativity. Today, we're diving into the art of transforming leftover veggies and grains into mouth-watering masterpieces. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to delicious, resourceful cooking. Let's get started on this journey of flavor, sustainability, and inspiration. Leftover veggies and grains are not just scraps from yesterday's meals, they're the building blocks of countless delicious dishes. Let's explore how to turn them into something extraordinary. Turn leftover rice or quinoa into a flavorful fried rice. Heat a pan, sauté garlic and onions, add your grains, mix in soy sauce, and toss in some scrambled eggs or tofu for protein. Layer cooked grains and veggies in a bowl with fresh greens, roasted nuts, and a drizzle of your favorite dressing for a hearty and nutritious grain bowl. Transform leftover veggies into a creamy soup. Simply blend them with vegetable broth, season with salt, pepper, and herbs, and add a touch of plant-based milk or cream for richness. Mix chopped vegetables with cooked grains, breadcrumbs, and a binding ingredient like eggs or flaxseed to create flavorful veggie patties, perfect for sandwiches or as a main dish. Stuff bell peppers, zucchinis, or eggplants with a mixture of grains, chopped vegetables, and cheese or vegan alternatives. Bake until tender for a wholesome and satisfying meal. Upgrade your breakfast game by adding leftover grains and veggies to scrambled eggs or tofu. Sauté the veggies first, then stir them into your scramble for a protein-packed start to the day. Use tortillas as a base to make veggie-packed quesadillas. Add chopped veggies, cooked grains, and cheese, then toast until the tortilla is golden and crispy. Make a quick and delicious stir-fry by sautéing leftover grains with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Toss in vegetables for a balanced and flavorful meal. Combine leftover veggies and grains in a baking dish with a creamy sauce. Top with breadcrumbs or shredded cheese, then bake for a warm, comforting casserole. Toss cold cooked grains and roasted veggies into a bowl, add a tangy vinaigrette, and mix in fresh greens, nuts, or seeds for a refreshing salad. Puree roasted vegetables into a spread or dip. Add olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice for extra flavor, and use it as a topping for toast or sandwiches. Turn leftover rice or quinoa into a savory breakfast bowl. Top with an egg, avocado slices, and a sprinkle of hot sauce for a quick and satisfying morning meal. Use cooked vegetables to make a colorful and flavorful frittata. Combine them with whisked eggs, pour into a skillet, and bake until set. Blend roasted vegetables with fruits for a nutritious smoothie. Spinach, sweet potatoes, or carrots can pair surprisingly well with apples or oranges. Make stuffed cabbage rolls by filling cabbage leaves with a mixture of leftover grains, sautéed veggies, and your favorite spices. Simmer in a flavorful tomato sauce. Roasted vegetables can be blended into a savory pasta sauce. Add some fresh herbs and garlic for a rich, hearty dish that's perfect over spaghetti or zoodles. Prepare a warm grain salad by reheating cooked grains and tossing them with roasted veggies, a touch of olive oil, and a splash of balsamic vinegar. Add your leftover vegetables and grains to soups or stews. They'll thicken the broth and add layers of flavor to your dish. Create a personalized pizza by using leftover veggies as toppings. Spread sauce on your crust, add veggies, cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden. Mash or chop veggies and mix them with beans and breadcrumbs to form homemade veggie burgers. Season well and grill or bake for a healthy alternative to traditional patties. Roast your leftover veggies again with fresh seasonings like smoked paprika or garlic powder to give them a new burst of flavor. Turn leftover veggies and grains into tacos by layering them in a tortilla with salsa, avocado, and a dollop of sour cream or vegan yogurt. Combine grains and veggies with batter to create savory pancakes or fritters. Serve with a dipping sauce for a unique breakfast or snack. Layer grains, veggies, and dressing in a mason jar for a portable, balanced salad that's perfect for lunch on the go. Sauté leftover grains with chopped vegetables, sesame oil, and soy sauce to create a quick and satisfying stir-fried dish that's packed with flavor. Blend roasted vegetables into hummus for a nutritious dip. Serve with crackers, pita bread, or fresh vegetables for a healthy snack. Use leftover grains to make a filling for burritos or wraps. Add beans, greens, and your favorite sauce for a portable meal. Turn veggies into a flavorful curry by simmering them with coconut milk, garlic, ginger, and curry powder. Serve over rice or quinoa for a warming meal. Roll grains and veggies into sushi. Use nori sheets, rice, and your favorite vegetables to make homemade rolls, then serve with soy sauce and pickled ginger. Mix cooked grains with milk, plant-based or dairy, to create a warm and creamy porridge. Add fruits, nuts, or spices like cinnamon for a versatile dish. Use leftover vegetables to make shepherd's pie. Layer them in a dish with mashed potatoes on top and bake until golden and bubbling. Toss cooked vegetables into your favorite pasta dishes. They add color, texture, and nutrients to your meal. Make a noodle stir-fry by tossing grains or noodles with leftover veggies, soy sauce, and chili oil for a quick and spicy dish. Form croquettes or fritters by combining grains, vegetables, and a binding agent. Fry or bake until crispy for a satisfying snack or side dish. Chop roasted veggies finely and mix them with balsamic glaze for a topping on toasted bread or bruschetta. Use veggies and grains as layers in lasagna. They make a delicious, healthy alternative to traditional meat fillings. Combine grains with fresh herbs, nuts, and dried fruits to create a sweet and savory pilaf that works as a side or main dish. Stuff mushrooms with a mix of cooked grains, chopped veggies, and cheese or nutritional yeast, then bake until tender. Transform leftover roasted veggies into a relish or chutney by cooking them down with vinegar, sugar, and spices. Toss cooked grains into kimchi rice for a tangy and spicy twist. Top with a fried egg for extra flavor. Use leftover veggies and grains to fill spring rolls. Wrap in rice paper and serve with peanut or hoisin sauce for dipping. Layer veggies and grains in a pie crust to make a vegetable pot pie. Add a creamy sauce for a comforting dish. Mix grains with roasted nuts, fresh herbs, and citrus zest to make a refreshing side dish for any meal.